ato Ghana de hye mu nyina aha makwaba ede ba DLFM 106.9 emana so sense ma hodo am ede de ncheche e wo man Ghana mu na ma hodo bi so no eno na emana so se yetena se de bo kyeremu nyina da eba ebesom ye ka mo se ne eye fiada September boso na da toso de nunsia enfempem mienu ne de nunu mu ana ewe na enso de ya boaboa no se agye nsem kase bo no yakuche ne nyina da akogunyen abefontentan kase no so a na DLFM online.com eno achi kase wona nam DLFM yen app no na bio tunin app no so saa nso na ye Facebook no DLFM 106.9 ena afi YouTube enso ye DLFM 106.9 kase boyi ehunfoni any videos ahodo nyina nam so a ubenya bi na wahwe ede amayen awiai ensem titira ebedi kase buru makotini bi anesem Mika say Greek company for the smart to judge them say Galam say say wonom eniama hodom di dwuma party through enen wonom power lines ahot won ntin ho mbesrada emprenfo yi bi ante sade o man ye beda sum na kina hwade a ye pin ho
Justice Paul ba for boni eden sama betudwa echemu sansa na abaye mranimu ni no agye so obomode anya certificate at the Free General Legal Council.
Dr. Belinda Grover, Deputy National Coordinator Edema Free Senior High School Secretary Lecturer den smart to judge them say yan kan kira batana mo mana nya school ni bie na mo president sanfama mo no be say eya munya kiredi munya ekura na mo akura na mo manya school ni bi ni nchuo na so awoda bro mo pa ho kwana de mo ye de emwa ema school hu sensem no enkon kan e wo mayim
Asya na hwa disua ho nsem wo manga na mo de nsem abetudwa echemu say ya do mo ye nhwehwemu e de afa 15,000 Ghana cedis eye scam manfo age e de afa ye BEC school placement no echemu a obi e de abeto ye social media ne so
na executive chairman Edema Jonah Capital anafi onu kwesina kan no oye president Edema Angry Gold Ashanti ne den ede say Sam Jonah oden smart to judge echemu Adusia for Moko School Wisconsin International University College Momode an say omoda ache no be sure so maye adwumaden se be bo no mu school a omoda ache akon kan de ma wo no
MC Edema Blekumanot abekasa echemu say ye dan bia no simala market no enya ade omode ye hwe no se de ya de wabubu ni na egu
akane omampeni abejaku omampeni abedi ache no kura yenso ekokotu frank ade ma MPP e wo mfempem mienu ne edunu na abato mu Dr. Alhaji Mahmud Bawumia de smart to judge them say Ghana man pani John Dramani Mahama onimpa se fitiri mfim mienu ne adunu mienu 2022 na yade a covid etete o man Ghana ne wiase afa na nyina ma Russia Ukraine won so be haye pa Ghana man pani anya tum den so ne wapam aka nti Ghana man pani sabe kontompo wona afa pa wanka no krekra
a police for achiore bi a otwantra eka say yade amanfo achi no asie
ensam no pi na aka ho na yesi hu nkwamnya besom mo se agye mensam kase bo wodi ro ha ene nsia ekiripo enkron kase fidie so na yaka mo se yem papa dade Lumba ni t-shirt no in fact ebusu ofie ha na mo pa beto bi wate efe pa sizes ni nyina bi wo ha na mo se de opani bia wo benya se yaketo a se yakese se adantemu se de opani bia bi wo fie na wo pa na bo nso da form se nanom nante na caps echa hodo nso ebi wo mpa media ye hye me wo betwa o Facebook na YouTube no so in fact efe pa ma me ho ayefe nansen ebi hye me kama bra behwe na betobi sanso na nduku ahodo ni nyina kwasi bo no beka ne se scarves ni nyina bi wo ha na mu sei enti ba DLFM fi ha na mu ade opa bia na won se betumi aka wo pese wo da wo pese wo ye dan a fremu ahomatu fo na gimu nkyeremu fa frem panifo nkyɛn 0579284181 0579 284181 and 0531 356 732 0531 356 732 Brana beto na friend na gichiremu wo de bia wo bia na wuntumi mmompo a ye na de beto awufie ho no na won so ho ayefe ne papa ntade ni wahye bi na sabe Paul nso oyimpa na ba
Me kan Lumba supade ama obi biaro ye hyemude no hiansuo ade asom na ho esanse Lumba supade FDA agye atumu open dodo eto abetimi afrem penifo 0555 274 757 and 0577 475 343 okoda nsuma ne important madam abanyame che so distributor wo honom our adjacent Lumba Sports Pietus Lane friend 0557 349 401 Mama Vic Fanco Sports M or a year washing bay honum friend 0500 680 783. Bra Kwame ewa da command circle station Benyadom Choba. Freno ewa 0244 094 793. Madam Edith Kusi ewa Dowenya wo Opsi Central University. Freno ewa 0246 601 004 and 0266 400 215.
Akenka for yesen konwa besom awie no edi ameje so eye wo wofa Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi mene
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa.
wo fa se rose gold na se den
Wadama eba na nsempatie amamu nsem DL kase bode hinta nyina aha ne pa hontama DLFM 106.9 kase bono nie aha ne nyina yetie
DL News.
Yamamo akwaba afitu American share yen e Facebook no so a DLFM 106.9 and afensi YouTube na kasebo no yemfa emunchiremu kufitele madam ante no yemfa ensemu awiai na yensha kasebo na se emfamfiri ahonede ensensemu na Ghana Grid Company Limited twanity a ka ne se Gridco penny for the kokobo de ato abonten chiremu am nipa yom nam koti kwanso etufu magudie mekire illegal money na dodo afa ne se galamse yi bi ye etu anamon bi a de ho akese bebro men no mu kire ma wonom power transmission system no o matutu ase ekopefu magudie nti ya hwe ne ye beda sum na kire hwe ade a ye pe ho na Frank Ochre deputy chief executive in charge of engineering and operations kire mu a sana montu a nipa yom nam koti kwanso etufu magudie akotutu wonom power transmission system na se no ebe ha adwen papa every sabe me ahodo a ECG fo anase Greco fo mpanifo wonom de wo power transmission asisie no na krobrane tumi kotutu ase ekoboto kuro se okwakopefu magudie de a na o men yakwa na se ye bai opani kiremu a one o se yenka se putuo hye ebedi na dwo officer sabe sempanifo betena se ayanhwa han sa mo men galamsey atumi asese ajapade yesuo yakwaye ene yensase na fenso yempa ahonene ho sensem so akwa atwe na Ghana mpanifo de wedie eyemwalo mala na okiremu a sana muntu a mabunu yituo no wo ma aka ho nsem asa bepem samre ekire din na okiremu a ade amoye ne ehu papa fi se ehoma na nam wiem sa no eye post no masisi na egusu sa no ehu pam na wonim na kotu ase na se bugu fom se tiu asama aba no enya sem kuma na mesa okire ekiremu a adwumayefo ne bo adwumade nanso sade omoye ne tedi baabia na mo nkwampo da esema fi se bibi se na mo kwakosiesie na sabe kwabana tutupo na asesa na ehu pa de ma wono pam tenmanim yada omo srempenfo mo nya bibi fanfan fi se sabe Greco fo mpenifo na mo ni control aban pa na wotumi so betumi a kire sabe obi etu galamsey omo po na se obegyan na hobambo kwa ya adwumante sade bedi baabi ne Ghana omen ye beda sumu ye kire hwe ade a ye nyina ye pen ho okro yim.
It can invite near disaster because, as we talked about, the line right of way, you need to clear it so that when you need to do maintenance on the line, you can go there. Now, the right of way clearing becomes lucrative to galamseyers. In a number of areas, people go and see that overnight, people come and do their galamseying activities very close to our towers. Now the towers, you see them as just steel members, but they are carrying a lot of forces and weights, and so the foundation is really calculated. In fact, they do a lot of studies on the ground to design. Every tower foundation is different depending on where it is, and I'm sure these galamseyers don't know. But as you approach close to the lines, we are coming to the point where, but there are some towers that we have had to rush in to do some intermediary reinforcement. Unfortunately, there are some areas that even when our maintenance teams are closing, they get shorter, and some of them have had to run. And so we are trying to see and leverage and get engaged, because in those areas it's getting to points where critical and role cannot, so we need support from all the forces.
Any awoti ono ene deputy chief executive in charge of engineering and operations at the Ghana Grid Company eternity e kan say Gridco ne den de Mr. Frank Ochre ene wo chire mu asesere galamse no ekoduru wonem transmission system na asenti se penifan so de a ye beje ta okrum asuma ye bedamu no Yankopon firi soro eme nyinam kanea
Yantoa Kasiebone so na acting chief justice omampani yi no justice Paul Bafo Boni de abetuja chemu se ansa na abaye imranim ni ewo manga na mu na wo so timunya certificate the free general legal council for honom ansa na omahu ni so betimi abu adwuma ni ye papa wo man mu na odi nsemi etuja wa bra Ghana Law Society for eto omunsa de efre no ana odi nsemi etuja sansa ya de legal battle ekoso ewo Supreme Court Ghana Law Society ene eko bi aka echema Ghana Bar Association for Agyei Atomani asesa omo ana hu o ma na chese wahu semranimufuo ewo man Ghana mu no mo amo de adesre krata no ekoye no tuja chemu so mu hia nkyerase foforo se ne be ye beboa no mahu se obetimi anya jumeku ahodo ewo man yimu we ana justice Bafo Boni tuja no chemu se enya ade a ewo se wo bomode na aka so ye mranimu ni ewa bra uni certificate the free general legal council honom ana mo kasa no mu chemu se nsem a wakai de na cheso nya ade oye yimu na emo mo chese Supreme Court nso no ebetimi asem no ama wom ebi nso anom wo honum so esusu se sa asam ne kobasa na se ugina nipa ba akwa echi anya ade a etwa yie na emo mo hwese ne omo ka ne dia na chese anya ade a ombegina obi ani manaso meye yimu ewa asem ni mo de sem say editudwa
by us in the judiciary, but we know that the bar plays a very, very, very important role in the administration of justice. That is why we have always, even in some cases, when we find that litigants
DLFM 106.9.
You will find judges, sometimes when I was a trial judge, if I find that somebody needs a lawyer, somebody has to be represented, I can just tell it is somebody from the bar representing, because we used to that, and most of us as trial judges used to do that because we recognize the importance of the contributions of lawyers to the administration of justice. All that we are interested in at the GLC is that you possess our license. But we license lawyers, individuals. We are also mandated to license chambers, but it is we don't really care whether a person belongs to this company or that company. Provided you meet our criteria, you get your license. So if you have come on board, either as individuals or as a law society, what I will implore you to do, and what you are free to do, is to pursue the acquisition of your license from the GLC.
Uti Justice Paul Bafo Boni no ana acting chief justice omampani no
Yantoa Kasiebone so ne yamonka so anyiremwe ewa disua ensensemu na Dr. Belinda Grover deputy national coordinator edema free senior high school secretariat no na ochiremo de kokobo edema abatan say na nsen placement na aba no enya semkuma BC ya disuafo ya wie school wabon so hwene sunsun asaba bonten ebi madi nkunim kama ebi nso afeli poto nkugo madi nya semkuma dem ma me kiremu a na enam sa dodo na nya school ntino wana mo hye se miam ya hodo bi ye fa ne se resolution centers na wokọ a na obibi wo hono ma wonte ase wokọ no ma bo na bibia atumi akoka mapam na o kiremu miam ya wo do tu dwa no eni abatan ohamu gichemu babro aduokronum 95% akwegyina hodo mo kiremu mo ma no school no munya no mompe edomo sesa no mfama wonum ana wo kiremu se na adan na nso ahwe no omo na mo twere ma moma na na wo bana kwatwere nso ahwe na de onya ya na wayi no ne modern mo na kire baabi ba kwada o mpeniwo sabe wado ahu wabo mu na kire wado na bomunya wo ye kitua bi na nipa na do na wabra oso ndo bi nka ho ye ne se nyeye enti categories no wo bana modern mo nko nkan ya school na wo pe no obenya na mo se ne modern mo nko nkan ya computer na hwe na nim din o se wo firi nkran ana wo koyi 39 no hwe wo pa kwatamale tena hwe ade wo pe ho e hwe na wo kworo kra no computer no hwe wa nim din o se ho no unko dade unya de benya borden kwakwada day na ma me han dan ma next time munya kwanya obesua de ye ye ma me kire mu computer na pa na hye amanfo ma batane ne abe nanso watira batane se moni de mu ada we de enye obi papa so pa homa so ene nim de mu ne ye yempa mambumfu munya abotre boko school na mo ma na nya no monte ase na monko na ni nyina ye Ghana school a ahu na we ba wompe no na saa nkwala no school be na mope na omokwa schools na aka na mompe no hwan ba na enkotena ho o kire ye ne senye yi enti osere mo da ba tan yi nsantrefo nka nkire mu prince pempem wo sini pen so pese wo ba no okwa achimote school ni bia ba modin aka che ne se onyere ne hunsua de ne onya TikTok ne ye ohu na onya phone na wote ho 24/7 ene po no onya hwe na ne brisua de ye na se onya category A na obetumi akọ school ope sente sa pa de aboa ene mentuka obekwa akotena honom ne wakode na kino hwe ade a wepin ho de nsem sei e de to abata nanim.
We have done that, okay? But the major issue is those who are coming here with the grades that cannot take them to the schools that they want to go. It's a system, it's an algorithm. So the algorithm will be able to interface and then play out and then be able to place you where your grade will take you to. But if that is done, and then you come back insisting that we should take you to a different school, you are giving us problem. And that is what we are facing here. Large change of school. It's not about I've not been placed, it's not about I cannot get school. It's change of school. So it means that the person has already been assigned a school, but they just don't like it. But we all cannot go to the Archimontes and the Wesley girls. When that happens, you end up seeing students sleeping on the floor, and the backlash will come to government. They should just take what the schools that have been assigned to them to make our work very easy. Every school is a school. Please go to those schools that you have been assigned to so that we can ease the pressure here. 95% of the cases, I want to change my school. I want to change my school. I want to change my school. The grades that are being brought here for the change of school cannot even go to the schools that they want us to change. Imagine somebody is able to dedicate the school to Archimota. How do we explain this?
Is it the church? Now, wakwa 49 na wakwenya eyimentuka school no. Wopa Archimota akọ hwe wopa ha na ye no. Lolo kwam ne prekuntura na. We Dr. Belinda Grover. Oye Deputy National Coordinator at the Free Senior High School Secretariat in which me say. So I saw Banaco School or Pepper there, only the who's the desire their computer and be never corner. A child of radio who is a trillion point or dopam. Now, watching no swear for shot at the senior so my canem. Yam offer say, Harry I do see trips about him when yabotre. A bang go so boy, you might be beer con can say by your beer baby school and mother walk on can school penno. Nensabeka.
Placement of persons who pass in the BUC exams is ongoing. The Director General sitting here have no access. I have no access. Deputy Minister have no access. No Deputy Director General have access. In order to guarantee the meritorious application of it. But sometimes there are other persons who want to abuse it, and we'll deal with them as and when we find culprits. For instance, I would not accept a student with aggregate 37 going into a category A school. What would be your justification for that? If you hear that a student with aggregate 35 or 37 is placed in a category A school, does he belong there meritoriously? That is questionable. And this matter of day schools and boarding schools, the Director General and myself met with the leadership of CHAS. We've asked them to give us a list where necessary. But to all this, it just says that government needs to invest more to expand infrastructure.
DLFM 106.9.
Who be here, sir? Banaba Bwadi Sikasha at the Sienum Napua. Sir Baya, Diana Hoodwa, you be here, but Messi, Nankolana Quina boarding house, a quadda. And this are the about time, Munsumka cranking, I am one of men, Addition and Concani. Where you are so for no, and a show Mangan Addition, so the day, Edom Yam for Haruna. Idrisu, Nene, and Auti.
Yantwa kase aboneso ne da so agina school placement hon sensema na so ye na hwa adisua hon sem wo manga na mu e hye nhwehwemu ase e de afa eye nsema ye twaguo e wo social media ne so e de fa eye school placement no e chiema ya de bi ma hya ase e bo apo e wo ho na san nhwehwemu e fa eye poster Gertrude Azoboklo Evdi betu ja HM say ya di answer na abenya admission e we Bri Girls Senior High School no eno na yi so utua 15,000 Ghana cedis. No mo di statement e betu ja ye ja wade bobosum ni de to so aduonunum e won fimpi mienu ni aduonunum ni ma e Deputy Minister for Education Dr. Clement Abbas Apak Edenensa eshase HM say ya di asue ye ne hu ni say ne ekoso na ni adin ye enti no ya di wo so mbomode anombo ye hwehwemu ede efa ho na omu chire ma sane ekoso no na chese obi be hu ni se ye BC computerized ye school placement system no aso mu di ye edwadi a eno no ani ntwa ye sansa ban yankasa de abetu de chem se omafa ho kenne hu hia so obi a betwe ska bia dia ma obi a enti se koba sane ma bi se ekoso social media ne so a e de animguase pa ana ebre aban no no mu chema na mo bomodi hu nipa eye ni Gertrude obomodi ade nsem no betu social media ne so na so mabom ho modi a mu ntimi ehu ni sanso ana na account ne so no o post wie ye pe ana chess account ne so ayira no mu chema ebi nso e de omonsa sha so mu bomodi a post na emo mu hu omo a omonsa ehye sa post no ase no mu chema mo ne eye National Security and Cyber Security Authority eni nwumeko ahodo pi na ana ebomodi edi juma sane be ya ombetimi attract ye omo bomodi a post ane ma no e wo social media so omo de to awofo na nim timemfo ni na nim so bomodi ano mo hwe so obi ba na so obegiska e de first school placement ne ho a bomodi ana report wom efama wom esan se hu hia so omo so no betimi atwe amaso into omo de numbers we e de atudwa so obi bomodi ana ogiska so person onye placement ma oba onso no obetimi afre number we eye 0541 548 223 0541 548 223 na person won send you mo WhatsApp message so abetimi afre 0244 908 957 0244 908 957
ahomatrofo no wahu call one no sense subio na bata na nkasa mfre wo mo why
0541
enti Ghana ni ntie ni ye se wo kọ placement system no wo kọ na o chekire ne na pani bia ka kire wo se ma misikasi ansa ma yama wo bana fra ahomatrofo we
0541 548 223 0541 548
223 and WhatsApp no say say
0244
ni text line nti enkofre
0244
908
957
0244 908 957 ni nyina report wo de oba akwa na ba yiri waji sika ka jene ze dabi Ghana Education Service yintwa sika na report koma mo no nkwache no why na sika tuatua na okro me do so pro ne kankan na ekume yedodo yanto akase wono se gusu aganyina mu adesua mu sensema na Ghana ni a ono no in fact dwade nipa na omanyi mu wo din keke de den ade se Sam Jonah ono ye Chief Executive Officer awo ye chairman ede ma Jonah Capital ana aka ne no ye president ede ma Angry Gold Ashanti na oni adesua fo musua de wo Wisconsin International University College twetwen komo na asempti da so ne say eye akanie akwantu ne na yasem titira ogina so na okasa na amra senior man say Sam Jonah kasa mu ene wode to Wisconsin International University College adusuafo na nemu say osra wo mada akanie honhom yade a yade papa na obra ne wala abo de senti se da muhunu da akye abrabo no enya bepem ne mekrato ne mom so opese oda akye si wi a kwen apese esi wi no faso boba no pepepe pepere wo ho babia unduru ye no benefo de sabe uviti preko pa wosen a moja na abehunu to monto mbo ase boko na mbobra ne yi na mbo ne yi a da chibiam susu dia no wono beduru ho ina osan so dia futo ade madusuafo ne se obono ma na aba na ne so media me no obi wo competition mi wa kansi ebisi na osehwe munya abote o manga na yatim sese no suapo ahodo ne nyaka kabu ma ba de se edo osia nkron 69 universities enya na ese one ne ye competition na mbomo no ebimam ha se nyina no suapo ahodo ne ba ye sa pem baako aha mienu ne aduoso mienu 1274 ena ye universities e wa Africa nyina wiase nyina nso mechira world universities ne so no be 2000 edo so pa empem aduasa mienu eso pa de senti entena krom hankanja za me no obi si akan wa Ghana da bi o ene obi o wo wiase afa na nyina na woni ni si akan ya ne basa bon say yes ade esi oni so no so pam na ne kasa na o kire mi say eye nkitahude ya de hia papa pa woni pa bia kan ne mu opeso ba moden eye okanifo abrabom a bo ho moden se nkitahude wo mfa ni agro ba ko kire mi say wo moden to mbo ase ene TikTok ka ba nsem hunu ne mabasa asa na susuafo yo kire me mo dache Some person would be a Jodinica, see about Bracom and Ghana and Benya, the Brapa or Mayma. Monina Modacha, Mama Brapa, Namungiano Crafo, Nakani Mupa, Mama Diana, yeah, Bomo May, couldn't be about what they say. At today and central for him.
Every day you live is the tomorrow you dreamt about yesterday. If today doesn't please you, perhaps it is because yesterday's choices were careless. But here lies the beauty of life. Every sunrise brings you a fresh canvas on which to paint a better tomorrow. So I say to all of you, don't drift into the future, design it. Here at Wisconsin University, you are enjoying the privilege of learning, the gift of opportunity, the comfort of belonging. But don't let these walls define you. Don't let them confine your imagination. Your competition is not just the person sitting beside you. It is not limited to Ghana's 69 universities. It extends across Africa's 1,274 institutions and into a world of 32,000 universities. Daunting, you may ask. Of course, but here's the truth. The fiercest competition is not out there. The fiercest competition within you. It is the fight to conquer laziness, the struggle to silence self-doubt, failure. And when you win that inner contest, trust me, you will outpace the world. Ladies and gentlemen, excellence doesn't check your passport. It does not care for your background. It answers only to discipline, persistence, and vision. Since many of you are students of the communication studies, let me pause here. Communication is not a side skill. It is indeed the lifeblood of leadership. It is the bridge between vision and reality. A brilliant idea, poorly communicated, is no better than no idea at all. A company's strategy, muddled in jargon, can pick shareholders, can sink shareholder confidence. A careless remark from a chief executive can wipe away billions of dollars of stock value overnight.
And what she and a Mr. say, Sam Jonas, Hremu say, Omangana, or Cocasia, yes, I, our galamse for Swasano. Sempenifu amakwan ma hemfuna mfom ho anyimu pa na ya adwense sade ye hunu no ye betumi akon atole galamse na sha yeboa ye tumi ntu ase da indi ototo srada empenifu ma hemfuno kwan na nsasana no mtetete so da nsasana no na omunyina mfom ho mfanyim na omunko antole galamse na sade ye koyo man Ghana wa hwe ni ya da chi bia besi adidi ano kwan no man ye bebere pa e galamse no ensa no.
It is not the absence of laws to control the damage that is done. Because the laws are very clear. Once you dig up, you have to fill it up. Don't mine
DLFM,
towards certain distance to the river. Don't mine in forest reserves. And always when you've created a mess, clean it up. The laws are there. So it's not that you need more laws. It is just that you need more enforcement. And you can only enforce when there's an important element that is missing in all of this. And that is the involvement of traditional leaders and the community.
I am for nan kan ho amoboa mo betwe fa mo bossa politicians muntumi ntu ase fi samra ni nyina ye adwuma mra ne wo hodada nanso ahemfo nan kan ho enam ranso mo mane nya adwuma we ye dwadini kasi ya Ghanaian businessman say Sam Jonah one ye chief executive officer Edema Jonah Capital and so former president Edema Angugod Ashanti and Awotene nkan na no wachina madam Baba Kofi acting tin Edema the School of Communication Studies our Wisconsin International University College and ochire mi sem efitiri mfim pem du mienu dunsia nim 2016 and a school no some additional for no be we school pe na mato am sa de African nifo o mo abrabo musua hunu abobra che na munim se abrabo ni so na be che adusuafo no sebe mo we school mo kofi no mbetumi ehu o mabrabo na no so ye sebe ya school no akire nkwala no book mu ho no makama nwoma mu de no makire nanso abrabo no mu de ne de Adjoa munya so hunu fini pa bi enchen ni senti na mo hye adwuma de we no mo bompa ye say mo fra ni nyina nsua ne mo ahodo a Sam Jonah de tu dwa ne mo no mabrabo no de mo pe no mo nsa entimi enka.
I'm Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy, acting dean of the School of Communication Studies. The students, no, that's the I'll say I prepare for the future. Outside classroom, but outside classroom, and then I drop. Into your maybe your friend a seminar series from 2016. I had with different speakers. Into that say Sam Jonah, now you inviting and say Umbra. No, they don't make about leadership. Or make about resilience, about entrepreneurship. On one life journey, na ebe way into Obasana now we inspire more ideas. We go have first starting a business, and this man into no osenya na yeah. Sana almost from a pick ideas, and Nuntiana and the program. Niema na says some akano. I was here dream. I was somewhere dream. No connecting it to our life aspirations. Niema one person mo yeno. I was somewhere dream. Me sure say be na extra notes. It is Siana or some call back. Mo sure say the idea me best in your brains. A best day na me they connected to me life goal. Sana sedachi. Me so semi to me yes. Niema na says some Jonah na me so me to me at na baby na maka. The story na check other young people.
I miss Matna baby. Na mark my brother Musia Hunu Eddie Chere Nkwala Omno so eba. We aye, Madam Baba Kofi, or no acting dean at the School of Communication Studies, our Wisconsin International University College. Nanwachi, na the Symphony Bejemre, any dear Casabot train commander Baku Dindi, Kendra Della Ojrema. In fact, Dachi party when ya Dachi papa pay free say. Said there some Jonah Kaya na Dachi dear at the power na you. What's the word China Dachi have a trabwa? Into the near Japan, so no one can ever turn a boss in a brother Dachi, but obey no craft for a man who will bunipa. No, I didn't know why you madame now to your con can boom. Now, Angel comes in so cassa and watch him soon. Well, same be panadia will say any sabrabone dear. A do baby a bedding could go, a do baby a bedding quinnim. Na, says some Jonah, I can say. Or shall you see us and obra papa, or course could no dim to near born no affair in our travel for us and answer. Or basically, Nimapa, when Huna dear your pan is sent. Oh, Baba now didn't kugua, and now call school and our fairly possible could be answer. A brabone de Gurias yet. The Cranka Crawiation in Crown Pant is said you can obey and Wabba Brapa, no, we are so crowd of you, Sebebois. Now from Swada Wayano, on your Buno Bay and Wabba Branadachi Biano. Wabe yet penimpa, no beji our menu.
My name is Kendra Deladem Tony, a student of Wisconsin, and today I learned a lot. I actually took one important thing that the future is not what you wait for, it's something you design, and then you design the future with honesty, respect, and resilience. Thank you.
I'm Angel Kumson, a student of Wisconsin International University College. So far from this seminar, there's one vital quote I learned from Sir Sam Jonah, which says, if you are not failing, you are not making progress. He told us that through his journey, he failed so many times, but then better part is how you wake up and rise up and better your future. Yeah. So with the failure you're learning, he says you should learn your mistakes and embrace it. So that was one very special quote I got from this seminar.
One Echo School, our Wisconsin International University College. And I will tell you more for a year. No, man, bueno. Yen same training. Kasia Wahima. And now, Yimano Poku Adusi. The bottom line said DJ Active. And Nano Quacremono. Imanuera. Akete Boge. Or Senyaku. No, my dear man, the way. Ever so many. I don't know what's there. Akete Bogana. Nade. Oh, Hank. Imanuela Akete Boge. Or soon to fear the Mobuloba Copa and Saka. Bija Afiba no crano. Young Quayan Musica.
Yentua Kasiabone so enable kuma not municipal chief executive Kalamu Adamu Musa Ede atuja Musa ye dan bia no simala market a chese beye mfie mienu na esi honom amomfa nya hwe mo de honom adane bola so honom tun ragu ewuran so afu honom ye pa ode atuja Musa enche ade oba bebubu dan no ede afri honom no de nsemi etuja wa bra oye dwumadie bi one adwadifo no edi ye ewo ye dwom honom ana ode tuja na Musa so obubu sa dan no bebo ma hunidie ho nsem atimi akonkan ewo honom sanso na mu yade no so bebo omode ye honom beka ye main market ne ho na omo so omoton ne ma pavement ne so wa bonte no betimi aba market ni inside na omo so betimi abedi dwa ewo honom we ana osre jwadifo ne so momode ana mo ni assembly ni endi djuma sane ebe yo mo so mbe free ye pavement ne so atimi aba main market honom aba abedi omudwa.
It's been so for this while. We have heaps of rubbish here for all this number of years. It's a nuisance we have to fix once and for all. So as the MC having taken office, I want to evacuate all this rubbish here, and then we are going for a court order to make sure we break down the building, we assess the place so that we'll give it to the market women so that they can be trading on the land. Our only challenge now is to have access where our trucks and then our compactors will come and evacuate this rubbish. Once they give us this access within a day or two, I can assure you latest by next week, Monday or Tuesday, when you come here, the place will be as clean as the market you see. We are just pleading with the women in the Mala market to take issue of sanitation very seriously. We are providing them with skip containers, and we expect that at all times they should dump their refuse in the skip containers and then stop dumping just anyhow they find.
Eniya uti ye eya Blekuma North Municipal Chief Executive Kalamu Adamu Musa.
Yantwa Kasiebono eso na yemwura mu ewo MPP osono kokruko amanyoku na kachi na kane omampani ebedechi ono kra nso ekotu franka edema MPP amanyoku no se okopra omampani akonwa ewo mfempemienu ne adunu na abatomum ye Dr. Alhaji Mahmudu Bawumia edensma tudwa echiremu am Ghana mampani John Dramani Mahama aya ade bia eye ne yeyi pa na ne wera ho so mampani etumitu sa na mo no ene ebisa ne sei Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, ede pa na Ghana mampani John Dramani Mahama aya how say. Ene wo kire me say obo me nana unim. Emra Ghana mampani John Dramani Mahama e bontoa aka kire Ghana for so pa ba nwante yemfa ma no. Obeto ayampia editia MPP amanyukui e be ka kire wodom say. Ono ma bompa e beska toto no ho sensema se ma bon economy no masa papa. Na mu hu botoa no emfa kura mfa nhye munti. Wo be ka kire Ghana for say ne COVID-19 ama Ghana sika sema sen eno achi nso Russia for ni Ukraine for nyantokwa Ghana for so anya hutipaye enti omanyimu aka na omampani dada na adeda nkwa kufuado na Dr. Alhaji Mahmudu Bawumia de in fact o ma bon papa sikasam de omonyo na ndada emra Dr. Alhaji Mahmudu Bawumia e bontoa e wa pie mantemu a one ye nsem training continue ko fia odwetwen command na o kire mu sem ma Ghana mampani John Dramani Mahama pandi sapa na wote uke kan sam to ayampiasa o kire ma nansen ada Emma Ghana mampani John Dramani Mahama wanya kwanya kopien o US na UN eya wandom security council program ahodo e kwaso na ase no okasa na o kire mu say e be mind titi no my Ghana edu baabi no Russia for no Ukraine for 20 ye ho kire ye pam eno achi nso eya COVID-19 ye de therefore be san we ase amansan nyina ko mo magane ye echefa ya so hyehyehye madam ba kwa positive no suma na tuhwi fom se kutu bam wo manyim anya sem kuma ma Ghana sika sem nyina kwoto ape Emma ya bre pa ana wo kirem se Ghana mampani John Dramani Mahama enti wunie enti wu pa na kaka sampani nsemi wo be ka kire Ghana fo se ya pon yenim hwe ye hu boto no fa kura nhye enti unim sensa na COVID bedi Ghana fo awu Emma Russia ni Ukraine wo bedi Ghana fo awu ene wo beto ayampia wo hu sensa asem ne ye no kure no wada hu duabloni ebe ka kire wo manyi sensa asem ne ye no kure disabe wo petumi enti wo ka no kure ye ana Dr. Alhaji Mahmudu Bawumia kire mu Wadi Ghana mampani John Dramani Mahama ho ya papa na sade yakono wa hu say yes sana opetumi nti na obetu futuru oki Ghana fo ni na okire mu a yanka nkire MPP amanyuko ni say yekese no onu kuto ne nipa o safa tenti ekonwama de man pe o man Ghana mpia amanyuko mbatende e wo mayi mu
wo akosoro pa na niema bo akosoro pa from 2022 COVID impacts no e bae no Ukraine war and COVID. Emma niema bo ekosoro 2024 election. Mungina mo kai say na ye ka say DAC ye no na niema bo ekosoro Ghana henyina. Eye COVID na ebaye emma nipa niema bo ekosoro any Russia Ukraine war. Ye ka sa de no omampanyi Mahama ne NDC. Omoka say ye twantro. Omo say COVID insan nimu at all. Enya sa no mukaye. Omo say economic mismanagement. Enya sa no mukaye. Say COVID enye the factor. Me say me kai say I think nra ena omampanyi echo New York ena omo okoka say Africa nyina niema bo echo soro because of COVID. Semut mwati or say COVID ninti ena niema bo ekosro or say a lot of your effort at reduce poverty over 10 years or 20 years. COVID no the effort no nyina aba form in just 2 years. Sa no kind enti asa onim sa but wanka election no enye sa onim ne kure no ba wanka yen yehu problem no omo ehu problem no enti nyame adom obi abehu baby and kure ne da enti 2028 yen sesan ya adwen yen fa emma Dr. Baumia any MPP na yen fa economic management no enkoso because we got it right.
DLFM 106.9.
And because we got it right. We kane omampeni ebede chi onu kura yanso ekwa pray omampeni akonwa wo fimpi mienu ne aduonu enan abato no mu a sesi amekasi wogina mu den etu franka ede ama MPP amanyoko ni se omampeni de bre no omode frank berash position ne mana ne beje pa ne den the doctor Alhaji Mahmudu Baumia ne NLT.
Yentua Kasiabone Swana Central East Regional Police Command actually be a wedding frishane duasanum nidin Benjamin Owusu ewa bra oka krono Bobby Hwan semene to ya tushe nipa so say ya chinesie ewo Fijaya no ewo Millennium City ewo Gomuanye nyano eno ewo mfimfini mantemu na police for HMA eye bobo somene de to so miensa ewon fimpi mienu eni aduonu num nimu na cheso wusi eseni obi message eche ne se obi ato ahye ne so ewo bia ya wote no na bra police fo ekodu eyefi honom de na cheso wusi de omo hwehwe ne ba bia omo hu no na emom na moja ana ewo ne bedroom honom ombo omodin afa moja yi ekoye mu hwehwemu ehun se enya de moja no eye nipa moja na bra omo ye hwehwemu edefa eyesem card ne honom hu se ya do metimi atrace ede akọ Western region no mo bo modin aye hwehwemu atimi ekochi eyesam Benjamin Owusu yi ewo akatama so ewo Santimantemu eye bobosom ni de to so aduonu nan ewo mfimpi mienu ene aduonu numnimu no mo chi no mo bisa ne nsema na cheso Owusu ebeka se eye moja na omuhu ye no enye nipa moja ampa na emom okum dabo ana bo modin adi moja no edigu ho no mesan se ode eye nira eye obi a ofa na adwuma mu ka enu tuna wo so timi yesasa ne be ya sika no ontimi entwia enu nti anokum dabo odi moja no edi egu honom na police for the eye statement ebetu dwa eye endra ya wo ebobosum ni de to so aduonu num ewo mfimpi mienu ene aduonu num mu echiemu se yade a omo bomodin aye hwehwemu ede afa asem no nti we na efri eye Central East Regional Police Command ho abetoja
Hey, Owusu ekokum dabo ede ne moja na ye ne pono ho woni da mu ho sei akronfo ato ahye ne so abewo ne sekan kra enti ohia posifo mo a ene ahobammo sana wa kodi ne boss sika be di ne botom ti wadi enti opeso agire yira ne boss no kra mo ba makasa akronfo abewia no na mo san wo ne sekan Ghana fo mama ebie adwuma ye bro
nipa nyo
Ghana ne wa bia adwuma wo bro
obrepa
ye nyina we so na ebeka ho asem da ache a kire ebeka ho asem na yankenka adwenkyere ni bi na me wafase sweet Elizabeth dia ba na say good afternoon my uncle Sam. Oh, I see me look good pa. Oh, I'm many age pa. And my pretty Adjoa Agyei. Was in fact Kasebo no enjoy news in live. Now we ye sweet berry Edifree Lebanon zone 4 and what they buy. Me that's it bebre in the voice of Daddy Lumba. Na dola ya jewa je dia ba na osala haju twasunte in fact. O se dey twi be na o twire na twini na wa fanto no bo asenken kan. O se mobo dey mobo ne mobo ngoma na mobo nwuma pa o me utwi na de ba na me nhyɛ da enhu ne yie nti no aha me nhyɛ da ntitwi na se yie nti but wo se wo hwe live different Christian Village achemwata nti next time wo de ba ya utwi ni twi ne yie na wo fantumi kan ne yie me ko twi ayi o me ko bo masters utwi ndi wan twi ne yie me hu de wo kyerɛ de ba hwɛ no Agyei Sikapa ne betumi akan ene kura de onya grasses hye e wo so de nchia kese ma fita sa kado silver lady anafi ozigios b ena zigi ni die sefo no ozigios is here upgrade pa o e ba de say ozigios Adjoa Agyei bekum ni pafia hey Dola Agyei Dola Agyei
boy
Achimota fe your friend Ozigios
yeah romantic names are hold
Ozigios is that friend Ziggy Bibi who now say day
Ozigios
better and now people needs alternative jobs to stop galamsey watching live from Agnabo Bikuma Apa ya sempa na waka na nanso na nkyerɛ sɛ mu kotutu light pole na se na mu bubu ya nyinam kane ngu nsem hunu kura no mu di ni saa no na piaga se oso wonya ni siri wonya ni obi ahya wana mo piaga pa ni achimasa fo ne but na we say about say DLFM news on Apple comfort meti greatly you were there but what fast no no pay frame WhatsApp no so studio ha na mfa ka me wate na ode aba Dola Agyei say the opportunity nyane say ye bo adwumaden pa o say you are doing a great job pa that is on 24/7 on monitor bibia o nti we twi na o twa nka say o tena twi no foforo ba okay o say mo bo adwuma pa okay mo bo adwuma na wo de o no na be hye di ni ho sa no adwuma den sanka ye ohun nti na be ye no sa we ni dia be style bi o
say ebi ye no no na just juma but normally na say ye
what you say and ya Adjoa Agyei Dora aya bra wo fa na memfa wo fam kakra tutorials kakra mfa twi ni why ade na Ozigios so watonka kasi yabone ya di sinamom Adjoa Agyei so wonsem bi ka
me fa birthday way enkoma efia way free na familia honom ano si happy birthday enkoma o eye efia nyankopon hwa na onye okese onyi wo mfra adum enkwa adum kofi mpacho bomodi anabo amena picture no happy birthday ekwa ma efia way free na familia honom osi nyankopon hwa na onye okese onyi wo emfri adumu enkwa adumu no ntutu anamoni na ensisiye nti efia nyankopon enhia wo ye papa onye wakoma so ade ni na emfema wafia na familia osi odo wo ye pa nti nyankopon embo anonye wakoma so ade ni na emfa emao
efia no awale
onware
ai ye pon afọ na mama na madam fo ba ko bi ope yere na mfa na ma ne ho ofe pa o seni pa se efia ni ni
ono a
o ne ho ofe pa o seni papa kama pa madam fo ba ko bi pe yere ni suban ye fine
bibia e kama
asem bisa
bibia to se nanim
o te se wa na se ne de ne ye different kakra
ye ntimi nseda
muntimi nseda
obia ne
enti wo no ho ana ye
me de mechusu mi ame ho
na kwana one wakwedi the boss sika o so double wakwetwa double moja go ne dem no the boss no se me ka se we nche na enko
wo ba no papa de ade ye be boni dua me de masama no
omo se wadi sika na won kwana mom omo fa cheda o mende
obe boni dua
ujitum
wo ba no papa de ade ye be boni dua me de masama no
Mumboni duade ye nkon ne wasama no ka se bode ye de asimu sebufo ne ye maze me bere twene se mode ma ye the activity says lecturer ma nanim deja tuntum so owie no ho ofe pa na ni abadaje deja ese mode ma ye na champion Taylor Berman Soja ogina konson tutuo ekum sise kwabrafoma etuo ni bi paya ebi in Canada utwa ne se hu no apete on na ekro no nsuro hwe ye frɛ ne nti ye frɛ no Ansoja ode ekopiem wo Facebook and afi YouTube akasebonya bi hweye DJ Zigibi echinchim efrede from adema ya wiai na DJ Omarion ye friend akora beto e wo fie hanemo e boy huhumu kwan so boy ye ho ban e wo mpaibom na akenkanfo ye sinkonwa beso mo no e ya wo fa Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi mene
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
ye kwa no hwan na eba
na Adjoa Silky
ene da ben
ene ye fiada
na one hwan na eba yi
oni sexy journalist ana kwa mefu
edu fiada program na di be na da so
Enquires
ne kire sen
na chese wow odofu bi e free mu no eye no enye wa yia jani na fama na Adjoa ne na pamfo no munye eye no enfema
enwom ne ye firifia na eba esu no so nya wo de a wo de bie machine mu keke ma ye na meboa wo de bie volume no but memie ma ni nse be brasti ofie obeye be bototo ohun tu de obie more than half kakra ma na Adjoa emfa nwom ne nya dai engumu ma wo kwame afum esu de oya ade ene sexy de mente osu bi
Debbie,
me said that who knew soon. Nana ne kwame fum de ya de nti esu ne de me se do nsa kana usu ofi e be chi odadua radio ne wana aye den
wana toy
nana ne kwame fum ne sex de tenase a
enya wo de
wo de nsa kan be ya odan
chi odadua
na me eni wadi se de ye den etie ya kra mo mre pam mbe sa te yenka bio
Day. Mentinka kekeo, miniman kasa. If you say the luckiest season 3 at Sayaba.
Afi mami chew kwan a obefa so nye wo ticket but star 712 hash na di ehihye no so to wo ticket ana se ko internet no so na bo the luckiestafrica.com se bia me community ticket no so na you would lucky number
wo betumi so ama system na eyi bia ma chere ahia wo pese wutua every 1 Ghana cedi kosi 5000 Ghana cedi betumi mpo ato ticket no ama obi foforo ye obi hero wo pese wutua enye den kra sa wo Ghana for mobile money tua na sa wo amano ne dia for bank card tua
ticket baako ebo sika no ho empay ahanum 500 times we ye massa ye pay there will community ne benyanso betumi aye emoho edu 10 times
inti yen kambom na yen lucky na luck bebia
Shamo Huso, and Yamma Wana Wondi in Fiedu watching. Luckiest Jumedie, and then lay Imrate Tre or Caritas Lottery platform no so.
The luckiest, luck is everywhere, for everyone, yeah. The luckiest, luck is everywhere, for everyone, yeah. What do you do when you need some money? You go free hustle, you go brave. But you need some luck today.